Serra Soldadura is a company engaged in the development of assembly and welding systems. Welding systems offered by Serra break down into resistance welding, MIG-MAG and TIG arc welding, and flexible automation of welding processes. The standard range of products represents the perfect balance between quality and costs. It covers spot, projection, and seam welding, AC, DC, and medium frequency transformers, and manual or robot welding guns, pneumatic or electrically operated. Serratron electronic timers, medium frequency power units, and standard and dedicated control cabinets are fully compatible with the major PLC control systems. Within the car division, the specialization of the specific work system of each manufacturer means that it is possible to respond in a fast and effective manner.